What is up, guys? It's your boy Stickers back with another video. Hopefully it doesn't look too foggy-ish for you guys because we're running our ND filter like always, but it's extremely gloomy today. It's already 9:30. It's not early, but it's not that late. But for it to still be this gloomy and it be summer is a little odd. But yeah, right now we are on our way to Exotics and Espresso. But today's gonna be supposed to be a cool event. I think it's supposed to be like exotics and pups. Like they kind of promoted it like everybody bring out your dogs, blah blah blah. I sadly can't bring my dogs on the bike. I'm not one of those crazy ass people that will throw a dog on my back. I also do not want a 100-pound dog on my back because both of my girlies, as you guys all know, we got Karma and Ella at home. We're both about 100 pounds, a little bit under that, but they're big girls. But yeah, right now we are on our way to Exotics and Espresso. We did also find a way of mounting our Insta360 back on our bike. So I think this is a decent look. I'm not sure. I might tilt it up, might tilt it down. I haven't for sure made a plan on how I want to keep it yet. But for now, this is what it's going to look like. Not sure. Like, we're playing around with it. Hopefully it doesn't look too ugly for you right there for you guys. I was trying to keep it out of the dash because I know you guys like seeing the dash. So I tried to keep it out of there. That might be a little bit low, except for like when I'm all the way down here. But yeah, so we got our 360 rolling. Hopefully it gets some cool shots. Might tilt it up when we leave Exotics and Espresso to see how I like that angle. Maybe I like it a little bit more, maybe I like it a little bit less. But we're gonna be playing around with it, seeing how we like it. Not sure. Something new that we're just trying out. Let's see. How does it look? Oh, it looks like it's another decent day. Yeah, it looks like another good event. Let's turn down our music a little bit because we're slowing down. We don't need to be full on bumping. We do actually have another new pair of gloves. You guys did see my video not too long ago with the Revit gloves. But today we are rocking, which just came in the mail. Huge shout out again to Daisuke Racing. Make sure to go pick up any gear or parts that you need. They hook it up, they hook me up, and go get a discount. Go get 5-10% off. Like, why not? Why not save a couple bucks? I know they're probably already one of the cheapest on the market when you buy gear, and then you get an additional 10% off. Like, what are you doing? Don't you want to save money? The more money you save, the more parts you get to buy or gear you get to buy. So yeah, make sure to go click the link in the description and go pick up something from Daisuke Racing. If I do sound a little bit funny, guys, I am a little bit on the sicker side. Not really sick. I just am really stuffy. For some reason, I have been extremely stuffy. I'm going to crack this open recently. And I can't, I don't know if it's allergies or sick, but I've just been extremely stuffy, which really sucks. It's been a pain in my keister. But yeah, no, also back on these gloves. These are actually the Speedy, I don't know exactly the model, but they are actually kangaroo skin, so they are extremely soft. They felt like they're completely broken in without being broken in at all, which is crazy. Actually, it's kind of empty. A lot of bikes today, but it's pretty empty besides the bikes. Yeah, it's pretty dead. That's a sick ass wrap on that Ferrari. Performante, yeah, it's actually a little dead compared to what it was last week. We'll go up and down, maybe take a look. We got some Z's back here. Like I said, it looks like a lot of bikes today. A lot more bikes than normal. Last week there was a couple, but there wasn't too many. What's up, buddy? I can't hear shit.
On the way here, I was like, fuck, I should have stickers.
Yeah, no worries. I made it. Chilling, you? Tired? Yeah, I feel that. I hate waking up this early for cars and coffee, but I feel like there hasn't been many afternoon meets recently. I feel like the afternoon meets have been kind of dead. I don't... I think today they promoted it as like,
Oh, I should have brought that.
yeah, if the V was running, I would have came on the V and brought the dog, or in the V, not on. But.
I'll give you my dog.
Huh? You gonna backpack your dog or what?
I wish, but.
Fuck that. Well, how big is your dog?
Not big.
Oh, okay. Mine is like 100 pounds, so that's why I wouldn't bring mine. Not on my back. So, yeah, last week it was actually a lot better. Today it's kind of dead.